In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Openphone to Hubspot, and we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure everything is set up smoothly. First, let's navigate over to the Hubspot website. Open up your preferred browser and enter the URL to reach Hubspot's homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on it to access your account. If you're already signed into HubSpot through another session, you might jump straight into your dashboard, but if not, just follow this step. Once you've clicked on Login, you'll be prompted to choose your sign-in method. Here, you should see the option to sign in with Google. Click that, and you should be directed to select your account if you're not already signed in. Choose your preferred Google account associated with HubSpot, and that should bring you into your HubSpot dashboard. Now that you're logged into HubSpot, we'll head over to the Marketplace, a handy feature that hosts a variety of integrations we can add to HubSpot. You can find it easily by clicking on the link that says Marketplace located in the main menu or using the direct link in your navigation settings. Once you're in the Marketplace, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Openphone. That's the service we're going to connect to HubSpot today. After you type in Openphone, hit Enter or click the search icon. You should see the Openphone app listed in the results. Click on the Openphone app, which will take you to the installation page. On this page, you'll see the Install button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to authorize the connection between HubSpot and Openphone. To continue here, you'll again see an option to Continue with Google. Click this and choose the same Google account that you previously used for HubSpot. This step is crucial as it ensures all data and integrations are properly synced under the same Google account. After selecting your Google account, click Continue. You'll be redirected to set up your Openphone account if you haven't done so already. Here you'll input any necessary details and preferences for your Openphone setup. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be guided through the process efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Openphone to HubSpot, allowing you to take advantage of seamless communication between these two platforms. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.